everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tasting the Chouchen. Finally, I know, a tasting video. A real one this time. So the Chouchen was bottled September 24th. It is now the very beginning of December, so it's been at least 2 months since it's been bottled. And this was started May 11th. Yeah, it's been about 7 months total since this baby has been around. See, no fizzing. So that means it's degassed. There was no leftover fermentation. I don't want to drink too much of it. I've actually already had this and it's really good. But I want to save some bottles, and that one was bottled so high in the neck. I will have this recipe posted down below as well. I really enjoy this one. And I will also link down below all of the videos, all of the making of videos, but I do also have them all in a playlist as well. So if you haven't watched any of those, and if you are interested in making this, I know for me sometimes I'll watch a tasting video and then decide if it's something that I want to make, you know? It is very honey forward, which is nice, but you do get that, it's like it's an apple mead. It's an apple mead. You do smell both. Oh man, it just keeps getting better with age, you know? That's another reason why I wanted to wait a while before doing a tasting, because I want to give a more accurate description. I think overall it is best to let your mead sit for about a year. That is what's recommended to get a better flavor profile. And so far I've been really bad about waiting that long. It tastes just like how it smells. It does. It tastes how it smells. It's very smooth, like it's smoothing out. I really wonder what would have happened if I had oaked it. It would have just added a totally different dimension. Next time. I'm collecting more apple juice right now because I would like to do a 5-gallon batch. Yeah, it's like right on the front, you get hit with honey, and you can taste kind of that like malic acid citrus more on the end. You get like a sort of a tart finish. Now, I'm new at this tasting stuff, so I'm really trying to think about my drinks as I'm tasting them. Normally, I'm just like, yeah, it's good. I like it. That's great. You know, and I've never like sat and thought like, oh, these are all the different flavor profiles and notes that I get out of this. It's sort of something that you have to learn to pay attention to. No, this is really good. It is a semi-sweet. I like this level of sweetness. I don't really think it needs a whole lot more. I mean, it depends. It depends on what you like. I think this would make a really good dry mead as well. I don't know, all of the range. I think this recipe would be good dry, and I think it would be good as like a really sweet dessert mead. I think it's pretty versatile that way. It's so simple too. I mean, really, it's apple juice and buckwheat honey. That's really all it is in the end. It's nice. I definitely recommend this one. It's really cool. So I'll be sure to leave everything down below. Y'all can make this too. So I would love to know if any of you do, and if you do, let me know how it goes. This is a really high alcohol percentage too, and I feel like I could taste it more in the beginning. Of course, these things mellow and settle out. That could be some of the note at the end that I get is the alcohol, because this is 16.5%. Man, I don't think I could wait till September though to drink it again. I don't know if it's a year since you started the mead or a year since it's been bottled is what's recommended. I'll have to look at that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Don't forget to check out all the stuff in the description box. I hope you try this too, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.